Students, let's start with our next topic of this unit, polynomials, relation between the zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Now, students, in this we take the journal quadratic polynomial. So let alpha and beta be the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, and we just take this quadratic polynomial px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Students, we take this polynomial. Now by factor theorem, अगर अल्फा और बीटा बेटा इसके जीरोस हैं, then by factor theorem, what are the factors of this? x minus alpha. अगर अल्फा जीरो हुआ तो x माइनस अल्फा फैक्टर होगा, एंड अगर बीटा इसका जीरो है तो x माइनस बीटा इज आर द factors of px, that is this polynomial. Now students, if this is the case, then this polynomial ax square plus bx plus c can be written as constant term, any constant value k, into the product of the two factors. Understand students? Beta देखो. Okay, let us take, I'll give you just one example to understand why I write this. Let us take 2x square plus 14x plus 24. This we take a polynomial. अब अगर इसके फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे बेटा? I told you that first of all we take the constant term. 2 is constant. We have x square plus 7x plus 12. Up, what are the factors of it? For that we have to split the middle term. X square, 4 into 3, 12. We write 4x plus 3x plus 12. So 2 common, x plus 4, 3 common, x plus 4. So what we have? x plus 4 into x plus 3. तो कहने का मतलब है कि अगर आपने किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल के फैक्टर निकालने हैं तो कुछ अगर कांस्टेंट होगा तो उसको कांस्टेंट ले लो. तो सिमिलरली यहाँ पर हमें नहीं पता क्या कांस्टेंट है, सो लेट अस टेक k एज अ कांस्टेंट, वेयर k क्या हो सकता है बेटा? k भी एनी टर्म, इट इज एनी कांस्टेंट. ठीक है, सो वेयर k is any constant. Understand students? So what we take now, we have to solve it. It means ax square plus bx plus c किसके इक्वल होगा बेटा? Open the bracket. So k times x into x, x square minus alpha into x minus alpha x, x, then this into this हो गया. अब x into beta minus beta x, then minus alpha into minus beta is plus alpha beta. So this is the product of these two factors. Now when we open the bracket, this k is multiplied by this. So what is common in this? We have minus x common, alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. So now multiply this whole term with k. We have kx square minus k times x into alpha plus beta plus k times alpha into beta. So ये टर्म बेटा किसके इक्वल आ गई? इट इज इक्वल टू ax square plus bx plus c. Got it students? अब now to get the values of a, b and c, we have to compare the two sides. So comparing कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, क्योंकि एक्स स्क्वायर यहाँ भी है, एक्स स्क्वायर यहाँ भी है, एक्स यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है, एंड constant term on both sides. So what we have here, the coefficient of x square is a, here the coefficient of x square is k, so here we have a is equal to k. इसको आप फर्स्ट मान लीजिए. Then what is the coefficient of x here? It is b. What is the coefficient of x here? तो मीन्स coefficient मीन्स x के अलावा यहाँ क्या क्या है, माइनस k टाइम्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा, इसको आप सेकेंड मान लीजिए. नाउ व्हाट इज द कांस्टेंट टर्म हियर? इट इज c. व्हाट इज द कांस्टेंट टर्म हियर? इट इज k टाइम्स अल्फा इंटू बीटा. आप इसको थर्ड मान लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड द सम ऑफ द zeros, we first divide second by first. Dividing second by first, what we get? b. सेकेंड में b है, फर्स्ट का क्या आ गया a. देन माइनस k टाइम्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा अपॉन k. सो k से k कैंसिल हो गया. सो व्हाट वी हैव b by a, b upon a is equal to minus of alpha plus beta. So when you shift this minus to this side, what you have? Minus b by a is equal to alpha plus beta. So beta, this is our first relation, that is the sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a. So you can write this as, what is b? It is the coefficient of x square. A is coefficient of x is equal to alpha plus beta. So this is our first relation. Now find out the relation for product of zeros. Now dividing first third by first. Now dividing third by first. What is third? c. First is a, c by a. थर्ड में क्या है? k इंटू अल्फा बीटा. फर्स्ट क्या है? k. ठीक है बेटा. सो k is cancelled with k. So what we have? c by a is equal to alpha into beta. So this is the relation for product of zeros. तो मतलब we can say that what is c? c is the constant term. किसकी? देखो, if you look at your quadratic polynomial, c क्या थी? constant term. So that's why we write c upon a. What is a? It is the coefficient of x square. So what we have? Upon coefficient of x square is equal to alpha into beta. So students, in this way we can prove that the product of zeros is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square, and the sum, because alpha plus beta is sum हो गया, is equal to coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x. So this is how we can find the relationship between zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial.